Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about basics of 2D sketching. Exercise 1A, creating a drawing using relations. First, select new part, pick your plane for sketching, then select the line command and draw the outline of the 2D sketch as per the manual. As the sketch is to be completed using relations, specify the dimension of the vertical line first. Then create a relation equal with the horizontal line. Similarly, create relations among further lines. Once the relation among entire lines of the sketch is completed, our sketch will get fully defined. That's it.